How to unblock people on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. And then navigate to your settings. Here you want to scroll down to the audience and visibility section, and once you're there, click on blocking. And here in this page you will find all the people that you have blocked. So in order for you to unblock any one of them, you just click unblock next to it, to that person, and it will give you this pop-up window which is a confirmation whether or not you want to unblock this person. So just click on unblock, the blue text to unblock it. And there you have it. I have unblocked that user, and I can simply do the same thing for this one. And that's it. Just follow the same steps and unblock any people you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unblock anyone on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.